Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scrapbook Your Joy, and this is the sketch I am going to use. The sketch is from Christy's Beautiful Life, the 30 Days of Sketches, and I did this one I think was supposed to be up on like the 13th or 14th of March here, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to combine both of these two together to make out this layout. Now, Scrapbook Your Joy has graciously had me as their guest designer for the month of March, and I absolutely love this collection. I love everything about it. The Cocoa Vanilla collection, Sunkissed, is available in their shop. You can do, if you spend about, it's Canadian, so obviously they will ship in the US and it'll be US prices, but the Canadian dollar is less than our dollar, so it works out well to where you can spend about $100, give or take, and you'll only have to get, or $100 Canadian, and then it would be about $100 US. So it works out really well in our favor. I get tons of stuff from Canada. I absolutely love purchasing from there. And if you are interested, all of the information will be linked down below. I absolutely love them. And also, obviously, I'm using my favorite mixed mediums, which is the Shimmers paints. And the Shimmers are creamies this time. So the yellow one that I'm using is just peachy. It's kind of like no, that's the cream. Yeah, it's kind of orangey, peachy color. Actually comes out yellow. And then the grapefruit is the other peachy color. And then the blue I used is Ride the Tide. And they're all creamies. I'll link it down below along with everything for Shimmers paints too, if you are interested in purchasing those colors, because they match this collection perfectly. The collection and these three colors are spot on. So make sure that you go check out everything that is linked down below. I am so grateful to be Scrapbook Your Joy's guest designer for March here. I just love everything about them. So the photos are of my daughter and her good friend, and this was just everyday Saturday moments that we had, or Sunday moments that we had before COVID kicked in March, and they would just spend time together over at her friend's house, and then I would get photos and all that kind of stuff, and it just worked out well. I just loved it. So I kind of stuck to a little bit of monochromatic with the color tones. You know, I kind of put the pinks together and the yellows and oranges together and the blues together, and just worked kind of here and there and in between, and just made it like it popped out. Like I said, I just love how this layout turned out. Now, I'm just going through all of the pieces to try to figure out what I want, and then I do stop the camera and glue everything down so that I could keep this down just a little bit, because I truly, really like hemmed and hawed through this one. Obviously, you see that my desk is just a tad bit different. This is still one of them with a good friend, or when Bree and Fran were over, I was able to get done 5 layouts with everything that was going on, along with school and college and, you know, working my second job and everything, and then just being a host. With all of us having our shots, because I know that they've been vocal about having their shots, all 3 of us had at least one of the shots. They both have had both of them and have been, completely done. And then with me having just one of mine and my other one coming up here in April, I'm just ecstatic. I was grateful that they're able to come and just spend time with me and spend time with KJ, and then just to have that little bit of adult interaction. We didn't even go anywhere. We stayed here at the house the whole time. We did swing up to the exchange a couple times, here on post, but that's because they follow the rules to the T, and we felt comfortable going in there. Obviously, I had to get some Starbucks and all that kind of stuff too, right? So here I am. I'm just going through all of the embellishments and the packs, and just to kind of see what I can do and add some hearts and add some of this and add some of that. They were gracious enough to send me the whole collection. So this was a lot of fun. Now, I do think I'm going to have to get the florals again because with the 2 layouts that I've done, I don't have that much left in the floral department, but I will say that I do have the other ephemera pack that they have, that those will work really, really well with the summer layouts that I have. Like these here ones are during January, like the last one I did and this one I did for them. They were done in January and February is when I took the pictures. But you couldn't tell that. You wouldn't know that. If I wouldn't tell you, you wouldn't know that they weren't summer layouts because they're inside a house. So I did get out some of these little embellishments that are from, or these little dots or whatever that are from Stampin' Up! Because I thought that they matched really well. They're just cute little dots. Make sure that you go check out everybody. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do guest designers, design team, 12x12s, traveler's notebooks, all of that fun stuff, collaborations. Just having a good old time on my channel. I just love it. I'm getting super close to 3,000 subscribers. I'm hoping that by December I can have my 3,000 subscribers and be on my way to give away that next big giveaway that I always do. Y'all love what I do for giveaways, so I hope that you would hit that subscribe button so that we can get that next one knocked out of the park so I can work on my way to 3,500 and then 4,000, you know. Just got to keep it going on and going. Now, I am adding something on the top here where before there was nothing on the top of the sketch, but I wanted to put something up there on the top because I just felt like the white space was great, but I wanted to add a little bit more to it and not have as much white space. And yeah, so I'm adding that, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. I do round this out with some splatters, which is the Tuscan sun, and then that is it. I hope that you're all staying safe. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.